Welcome to our comparison of two of the best portable countertop dishwashers available today, the HAVA and Gudsunal models, both designed for convenience and efficiency. These dishwashers are perfect for apartments, dorms, and RVs, offering no hookup operation. In this video, we will explore their key features, pricing, and performance to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to price, the HAVA countertop dishwasher is priced at $399, making it a more premium option. In contrast, the Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher is significantly more budget-friendly at $299. This price difference may influence your decision based on your budget and the features you prioritize. Next, we look at water tank capacity. The HAVA model features a built-in 5-liter water tank, while the Gudsunal offers a detachable 7-liter tank. This larger capacity in the Gudsunal allows for fewer refills and greater convenience, especially for those who wash larger loads. Finally, let's discuss sanitation features. The HAVA dishwasher uses standard wash temperatures, while the Gudsunal model boasts a high-temperature hygiene setting of 192 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for sanitizing baby items or medical equipment. This feature can be a deciding factor for users who prioritize cleanliness and hygiene. In conclusion, both the HAVA and Gudsunal dishwashers offer unique features that cater to different needs. The HAVA is perfect for those who want a wide range of wash programs and extended ventilation, while the Gudsunal excels in price and hygiene capabilities. We hope this comparison helps you choose the right portable dishwasher for your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.